Hey, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Display section. Now click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on the best font for you, like Gothic Bold. As you can see, after that, style of my text has changed. If you want to, you can always go into Font Style and tap on Download Fonts instead. Then install the best one for you. Go back to the same settings and click on it in order to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!